Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Supercoins on Flipkart. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flipkart account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Flipkart? It's pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type flipkart.com and that's going to take you into the official website for Flipkart. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Flipkart. So now that let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to use Supercoins on Flipkart. First, you need to create an account on Flipkart, and I'm restricted from creating an account, but if you need to, I've just shown you how to do that. Then after creating your account, head over to this page where you have my account. So it's going to show my account here instead of the login. Now head over to Flipkart Plus Zone. So it says welcome to Upgraded Plus. Now here are all of the perks, here are the benefits, and one of them is exclusive Supercoin discounts where you can use Supercoin rewards. You can pay with Supercoins, you can get exclusive discounts and Supercoin rewards. If you have signed up as a Plus member, all right, if you join if you upgrade to Flipkart Plus, then you'll be able to have access to Supercoin and you'll be able to pay with Supercoin. Now there's no option for me to subscribe to Supercoin to Flipkart Plus because I have not created an account. But if you do and you head over to this, then you should be able to make payments and just subscribe to Flipkart Plus. Now after being a Flipkart Plus member, that is how you can use Flipkart to make payments, that you can use your super coins to make payments after subscribing to Flipkart Plus, which of course I've shown you how to do that here. So you can head over to search for products, brands and more. So let's say electronics, mobile cases. Now after subscribing to Flipkart Plus, you'll be able to see Supercoin prices from the filters. So right here, there is no option for Supercoin prices here. You can see there are no options for that in the filter option. There's no option for, you see, it's just assured. So there's no option for Supercoin prices because you're going to find them right here under Flipkart filters. So you're going to find them here. So select Supercoin prices. And once you select Supercoin prices, all the products that are under Supercoin prices are going to be available. Now you can click on the product and then proceed to pay with Supercoins. Now if the product is not under Supercoins prices, then you'll not be able to pay with Supercoins. So ensure that you have selected Supercoins prices from the filters and the products are going to be displayed. And just follow through the processes to make payment from there. So remember, you need to be a Flipkart Plus member for you to have access to Supercoins. And after doing that, you're going to see Supercoins from here, and only products under Supercoins can be purchased using Supercoins. So that's pretty much it. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.